So I found Tomy online because I was having medical issues and my hair was breaking. I thought it was falling out, but it was breaking. I've been coming since then, so it's been about 1.5 years. My motto from the day one when I walk in here is whatever you need to do. And what he has done is given me shape, color, a style. My hair has grown back and it has grown in thicker and stronger than it ever was. He likes to say I'm his easiest client, but now I'm not. I tend to take a little bit more time just because my hair is so much more fuller and I have so much more hair. I have recommended him to just about anybody who will hear me speak about Tomy because he is magic. When it comes to doing anything with the hair, it is just amazing. So much so that the best compliment you can give somebody is a recommendation. I have my family coming, my sister comes, my mom comes. I would recommend it to anybody. I will speak about him all of the time to anybody, and everybody here is amazing. And I just highly recommend it.